just drove into town. It's like walking in the, driving in the sticks. So it's 1,000,000 degrees. It takes a half hour to get into town because we're so remotely out here in the high desert. It's like forever just to run errands. Good morning, friends. It is Friday, the 7th of July, and this is my second and last day where I have to play cook at the Thai temple, and then I'm back home tomorrow. So it's been lovely. They're actually able in the high desert to grow bamboo, and they've got all sorts of cool native plants. I mean, they're, you know, the Joshua trees, but there are natural trees here that grow that most people just discard as kind of worthless, maybe sage or whatever, but to me, it has its charm. So it's a little scraggly, so it's a little Charlie Brown Christmas tree-ish. It does a trick. It provides shelter and shade for the animals and ourselves because it has hit 105 all week. So one more meal to go. It's, if you want to know, it's a smoothie, a fresh smoothie that I make. 3 proteins will be chicken, pork belly, a summer salad, ice cream with fresh berries on top, bok choy soup, and I picked up some donuts also, an eggplant saute, or a bake, I haven't decided. Probably a bake. I hear a coyote in the distance. So all the food that gets left over that the monks don't eat or that we don't want, I throw it out in the field behind me over the property fence, or the fence's property, and it gets eaten every day. So that's good. Oh, here's one of the temple cats. King Kong! King Kong! King Kong! What are you doing? You alright? Are you okay? Come here. Come here. What are you doing? Alright. So that's my day. Start at, it's 5 a.m. till about 6 p.m. It's tough. It's rough work. If you ever worked in the kitchen or in a restaurant, it's rough. I think that you have to have a passion for cooking. I think my food has personality because if I don't cook something that I'm not having fun with and I don't love, it really does translate. So I'm not willing to go on Chopped or anything. Okay, catch you later. Thank you for being so pretty. I like pretty girls. Cheers. I made it. What do you think? She does good. Hi everyone, it's my last day at the temple and I'm gonna show you what I made. There's my mom. Hello. And my dad. I'm gonna give the camera to him. He's actually really professional. Okay, Dad, this is the food that I cooked for you today. I got up at 5 a.m. and it is 9 o'clock. Here we go. This is a pork belly with fried garlic, Chinese broccoli, and a light oyster sauce with lemon, stir fry with peppers and ginger chicken, fruit, or condiments. This is a special Thai pepper dipping sauce. It has vinegar, I think, and garlic, and I forget what else. I think lime that you dip it with. This is a fried rice that I made this morning. I just made it up. It was the first try, but it tastes pretty good, I think. Or fruit. 2 homemade smoothies. to soups, vanilla ice cream, eclairs, rice is a staple for monks, and then the soup that she just put in the bowls for them. There are 2 monks eating today, so there it is. There it is. Hi.